What you looking for, Eva?
The number.
The thunder?
The butter.
Yeah. Do you like it or is it scary?
Good.
Eva, look at mommy. Do you want to go on an airplane?
Yes.
Who do you want to go visit?
That's a Susa.
Tasha and Zuja.
Yes.
Where does Zuja live?
Far away.
Far away, right? In Poland?
Uh-huh.
Do you want to go see Vavo and Vava?
Yes.
Where do they live?
Outside.
Yeah, in Portugal. You want to go to Portugal with mommy?
Yes.
Look at me. Look at me. Can you send Vavo and Vava a kiss?
Yes.
Send them a kisses. Silly Nilly. Oh, thank you. Say bye-bye. Okay.
Bye.